We're doing an unboxing and a giveaway of these Crankbrothers Highline Dropper seat posts. Got 4 different sizes, 2 of those are new. So let's take a look at the product and watch the video till the end. We're giving away 4 of these posts in the size of your choice. There's 4 different drops available on these posts now. So they're 100 and 125, and the all new size is 150 going up to a 170 massive drop post. Another cool feature of these new Highline posts is the minimum insertion length, so how much you have to put that post into your frame. It's actually got shorter by 20 or 30 mil across the range. It means it's got more compatibility with more frames. The Highline drop post is a cable actuated hydraulic cartridge post, so super bomb proof. And it's backed up with an industry-leading 3-year warranty. But something that's really nice about it, it does come with a really fancy cable, but if you needed to, you can just replace those cables with normal gear cables. So super easy to fix out on the trail, should you need to. Right, so let's unbox one of them, and let's do the big boy 170, because I haven't seen one of these in the flesh. That is your Jaguar Ultra Elite slick cable, and all sorts of finishing bits in there as well. Fit the post. Of course, this is an internal routed seat post, so most bikes these days actually use them. So nice and neat. Don't see your cable at all. There's your cable. Boring but useful. You've got a Crankbrothers sticker. You've got your end caps, and you've got a bit of grease for getting your post in. Then you've got some lovely, super simple instructions that I've used many a time to fit into my bike. Super easy to fit these posts, just got to measure the outer gear cable so that when you put the post in, it all fits nicely and you don't have loads of cable everywhere. Right, here's the posts. The posts are available in 31.6 and 30.9 diameters, so to suit most modern bikes. Plus that big 170 drop suits a lot of these newer bikes with a lower standover height and great for taller riders. A full stealth black post, even that stanchion's super nice and black. You've got that sort of polished collar, and underneath there you've got a trailer bog seal to keep all the muck out. You've got an IGES bearing and guides inside the post to keep everything working nice and smooth. So you've got that nice short insertion length, but you've also got a really small 47mm stack height at the top, which means that most riders can fit this bike and get a really good amount of drop and get their seat totally out of the way. Got a nice tool-free quick connect system on the bottom of the post. Got an O-ring on there as well, just to keep all the muck out of there. So that's the actuator for the seat posts. Nice and simple and easy to fit. So you've got infinite adjustment on that post, as you'd expect for most modern drop posts, but also you've got almost infinite adjustment on this ingenious lever. So you've got that spherical part of the lever, so you can adjust exactly what angle you want to push it at. So your thumb pushes straight into it. It can go bottom or top, left or right side of the bar, so it'll fit almost any bike. A nice little extra you get in the pack now is one of those super grippy stick-on patches you can put on your posts, so for those riders who ride in the worst conditions, your thumb's never going to slide off. The posts weigh in about 600 grams. You've got a nice simple 2-bolt system, quick release on top to fit your saddle. Made from 7075 T6 aluminium. I've been running one of these posts for a couple of years now, been absolutely faultless. So get involved. We're giving 4 of these posts away. Follow the link in the description down below this video to be in the chance to be a lucky winner. And if you want to see a video of how to use these posts to the best advantage, click over there for that one. And give us a thumbs up if you like winning free stuff. Get involved.